Hey guys, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, I want to show you a really cool accessory that you can get for the Electra 7. This is also compatible with the Falcon and the Eagle HD as well. And this is for the brand Discover Your Mobility. So this is the Electra 7, as I said, and this supports 400 pounds of weight, and so do those other chairs that I just mentioned. Now the issue with that is sometimes people need a wider seat or more of a seating area, and there's a solution for that. Now the Electra 7, I'm using this as an example because the seat on this is the widest of the three I just mentioned. So let me measure it real quick. So this seat is about 20.5 inches wide and 20.5 between the armrests. So one of the accessories that you can get are these armrest extenders. And what they do is they add about 2 inches between the armrests to give you more of a seating area. And I want to show you how to install this. Really easy to do. So what you're going to get is you're going to get 4 of these pieces, 4 of these screws, and then there's an Allen wrench. So there's a set of tools that comes with this chair as standard, and the tools are really just for in case you need to tighten something. And here's where it is. This is the manual. You got a couple Allen keys, a couple of these wrenches that will help with tightening bolts, things like that. So let me grab all these. I'm gonna place them in my pocket for now. Now again, it's not gonna widen the seat, but it's gonna widen the distance between the armrests. So each of these pieces are gonna go here and here, down here, and then also up top on both armrests. So the first thing you need to do is use that Allen key to take off the armrest. We'll set these right there. So now this should come right off. I actually take this piece off. So I'll take that piece off. Now it should fit correctly. Make sure these are both lined up. Okay, perfect. Now you don't want to use this that comes on standard. That's why you have these longer screws. But I am going to take this and just put it to the side, pop this on. So let me tighten these in place. All right, so now I've done one side. Let me get the other. I want to actually turn this joystick off and then disconnect here so I can maneuver this around a little bit better. All right, so now we've got them added, armrest extenders. So now you can see the increase between the armrest. So let's get a measurement now. So it went from 20.5 and we're now at almost 24 inches. So I'll sit in this. I'm 6'4", in height I weigh 235. I'm well under the weight capacity, but you can see all the distance I have. So tell me, do you think the armrest extenders are worth it?